Welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to hide desktop apps in Windows 11. How do you go about it? If you are projecting something on a group of people and you don't want to show what is on your desktop screen, how can you go about it? How can you go to hide everything that is on the desktop screen so that it is not displayed? How do you go about it? So all you need to do is just right click on your Windows 11 screen. Then we have view, scroll down up to here, we have show desktop icons. You can see the button is checked. We need to uncheck this button so that we can go to hide those applications, and you can see those applications have actually disappeared. If you want to access those apps, how can you be able to access those apps without enabling them back on the screen? You just need to click this Windows 11 icon. Then we need to click all apps, and you can see here you can go to access all apps that you have installed in your Windows 11 system. Something else that you can do, you can also click this search button. You can click the search button, and when you click the search button, you can create the moment you just click search button, you can just search for the application that you want that is to open. Something else that you can do, you can just click the file explorer, this one here. Then you go to desktop, and the moment you just click desktop, you'll find all applications that you have installed in your Windows 11 and any other program that you had, any other program or video file, that is either a document, anything that was on your desktop screen, you'll find it in your desktop folder, that is in the file explorer. And in case you need those applications back, or everything that was your desktop screen back onto your screen, how do you go about it? So all you need to do is just right click onto your screen and go to view, scroll down, and then you can see we have show more. So it is already unchecked. We need to check this button so that we can be able to re-enable back those applications onto our screen. And that's all we have for today guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.